Hi guys, today we are going to be making a Lego pocket knife with all of these pieces. So first we have a 2x2 tile, and then we have a 2x2 dot brick, but flat. And then here we got like a one, I don't know, but like a 12x12 tile, I don't know. 12x12 tiles, and I don't know. And then we have a 2x2, a 4x4 brick. A 4x4 flat brick. And then next we have, a 2x2 tile. Another one of those 2x2 tiles. And then we have a green dot, because if you don't have another square piece, then yeah, you could just choose a dot. And then next up we have a hold up. Like a 12x12, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12x12 flat brick tile. And then we got a 1x1 flat brick tile. And then we got a 6x6 flat brick tile. And then we just got a 2x2 flat tile. And then you got a dot, like a square 1x1 flat dot tile. And then we got another 1x1, a 2x2 flat tile. And then a 12x12 flat tile. And then we have a 3x3 brick, and then we have a 4x4 brick. So all these pieces we need to build with. Alright, so first, if you don't have the longest piece like this piece, then you're just going to have to take another piece and take a 4x4 piece and put it on like that, and then take a 2x2 tile and put it on like that. And then you're going to take another 2x2 tile and put it on like that. So another 2x2 tile, put it on like that, like so. So I had it on wrong, hold up. Just turn this piece around. Yes, if you don't have any more pieces, you can just put it on like that. Like that. And then boom. Right. And then for this piece you need a 1x1 tile. Hold up, I'll be right back. I need to some. Alright guys, I am back. Alright. And then you need a 1x1 flat tile. Put it on like that. Like that. And then, like I told you earlier, the 3x3 brick. Put it on like that. And then the 4x4 brick. Okay? Right. And put it on like so. And then you just have to build the knife. Okay, guys?